Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can add reference in your Word document. First step you gotta do is you have to put the reference before this full stop. Okay, you're gonna go here in references, insert citation, add new source. From this drop down you have options to include reference from book or journal article or website. You can choose according to your requirement. I'm choosing a book reference. You can click this to see what are the recommended fields. Okay, the stars are the required fields that you must enter. So you gotta enter author, title, year, city and publisher. After adding the recommended fields, click OK. Here's your reference or citation. You can also add this reference anywhere in your document. For example, I'm adding this here. We'll go to insert citation and here's your added reference. Guys, you can also add the website reference in the same way. Just click add new source. From the drop down, select website. Here you will enter the recommended fields. So guys, I've added this, and in the author you can select the author or corporate author. If the website is written by by a company, you can click corporate author. So click OK and here's your website reference. So guys, how to edit the source? Just click on the drop down and edit source. After that, guys, you can easily edit this from here. Okay, for example, you have to edit the name. Click OK after changing. What is the placeholder? So guys, placeholder is an, like, you can name it, and if you have not any data yet, any information yet for the source, you can add the placeholder here. Okay, after that you got the information. You can just edit this source and you can add the reference here. That's it guys, that's a placeholder. How to bring citations from the master list? You can edit the master list from manage sources. Actually, master list is the list in here's the all citations you put there before in the Word. It's the all sources, all references you can bring in your current list or current document from this button. Just click OK what citation you want to bring in your current document. For example, I have to bring this. I will click this and copy this. So now this is in my this document. And how to put it guys, just click insert citation. Here's my new citation. Okay, I brought this from the master list to this document. Bibliography. Guys, you must add your bibliography in your document at the end. Just go to these references, bibliography. These are all just the same, just the titles different. Okay, bibliography, here's the title is references, here's the titles work cited. So guys, you can also edit the title from here. So you can choose anyone. One more thing guys, you can edit the reference style. Okay, you can edit this in your references. All the work done is in the references section. Okay, you can edit this style according to your requirement. If you are working for an institute or some organization, they have their own preferred style. Okay, so guys, you can choose this from here. Usually the style used is APA or MLA, so you can just choose this from here. Okay, that's it. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.